Looking for a luxury vacation that feels more like having your own private mansion than staying at a hotel? The estates at Vidanta Riviera Maya might just be the answer to your prayers. This ultra-luxury resort takes the concept of vacation rental to an entirely new level, offering massive private villas that make regular hotel rooms look like closets. Situated along Mexico's stunning Caribbean coast, this property is part of the larger Vidanta complex, but operates as its own exclusive enclave for those who want privacy, space, and service that borders on ridiculous in the best possible way. The resort launched in the late 2010s as Vidanta's answer to wealthy travelers who wanted more than just a fancy hotel room. They wanted a home away from home, complete with all the amenities of a five-star resort, but without having to share common spaces with hundreds of other guests. The result is a collection of sprawling villas that offer the kind of space most people only dream about, even in their actual homes. Let me paint you a picture of what passes for accommodations here. The smallest option is a two-bedroom villa that clocks in at over 2,000 square feet. To put that in perspective, that is larger than many people's actual houses, and this is considered the entry-level option. Each villa comes with its own private pool, because apparently sharing a pool is for peasants, and fully equipped kitchens that are nicer than what most professional chefs have at home. The three-bedroom villas bump things up to around 3,500 square feet, which is basically a small mansion at this point. These spaces feature expansive living areas that could easily host a small wedding reception, gourmet kitchens with appliances that cost more than some people's cars, and outdoor terraces that overlook either lush tropical gardens or the sparkling Caribbean Sea. The master bedrooms are so large you might actually get lost trying to find the bathroom in the middle of the night. For those who think 3 bedrooms simply are not enough, the 4-bedroom villas stretch to nearly 5,000 square feet of pure luxury. These behemoths feature infinity pools that seem to merge with the horizon, outdoor dining areas that can seat small armies, and enough space to house an extended family reunion without anyone feeling cramped. The price tag reflects this excess, with nightly rates that can easily hit 4 figures, but when you divide it among 8 adults, it suddenly starts looking like a reasonable splurge. Every villa comes loaded with modern amenities that would make a tech enthusiast weep with joy. Smart home technology controls everything from lighting to temperature, while high-end appliances and luxury furnishings create an atmosphere that screams sophistication. Daily housekeeping ensures that you never have to lift a finger, and private parking means you do not have to hunt for a spot like some common tourist. When it comes to dining, the Estates takes a refreshingly different approach compared to traditional all-inclusive resorts. Instead of forcing you to fight crowds at buffet lines, they offer personalized in-villa dining experiences with private chefs who can whip up whatever your heart desires. Want fresh lobster prepared tableside on your private terrace while watching the sunset? They can make that happen. Craving authentic Mexican street tacos at 2 in the morning? Consider it done. The beauty of this setup is that you get restaurant-quality meals without having to change out of your swimsuit or wait for a table. The chefs source fresh, local ingredients, including seafood caught that same day and organic produce from nearby farms. They can accommodate virtually any dietary restriction or culinary preference, from traditional Yucatecan specialties to international fusion cuisine that would impress food critics. Of course, if you do want to venture out for meals, Estates guests have access to all the restaurants within the broader Vidanta complex. This includes Miyabi for Japanese cuisine that rivals what you would find in Tokyo, Casa Club for elevated Mexican dishes that go far beyond typical resort fare, and La Laguna for Mediterranean-inspired seafood that makes the most of the coastal location. The resort also features multiple bars, including swim-up options where you can sip cocktails without ever leaving the water. Special dining events happen regularly, especially during peak seasons and holidays. Wine tastings featuring selections from Mexico's emerging wine regions, themed dinner parties that celebrate local culture, and cooking classes where you can learn to prepare traditional dishes are just some of the culinary experiences available to guests. The pool situation at the Estates is frankly absurd in the best possible way. Every single villa comes with its own private pool eliminating the need to wake up early to claim poolside chairs or deal with screaming children cannonballing nearby. These are not tiny plunge pools either, but substantial swimming areas where you can actually do laps if the mood strikes you. Beyond your private oasis, guests can access the extensive pool facilities throughout the Vidanta complex. This includes massive infinity pools that seem to stretch into the Caribbean Sea, adults-only areas for those seeking tranquility, and family-friendly zones with water features that keep kids entertained for hours. Swim-up bars serve tropical cocktails that taste even better when you do not have to get out of the water to order them. The beach access is equally impressive, with hundreds of meters of pristine white sand that feels like powdered sugar between your toes. The Caribbean waters here are typically calm and crystal clear, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just floating around while contemplating how good life can be. Beach service includes everything you could possibly need, from comfortable loungers and umbrellas to food and drink delivery right to your spot on the sand. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep them busy, with paddleboarding, kayaking, and sailing options available. Snorkeling excursions can be arranged to explore nearby coral reefs teeming with tropical fish, while those seeking more adventure can book deep-sea fishing trips or diving expeditions to underwater cenotes. Activities at the estates go well beyond lounging by pools and beaches, though those are certainly viable options. The fitness center features state-of-the-art equipment that rivals what you would find at high-end gyms in major cities. Personal trainers are available for those who want guidance, while group classes including yoga and Pilates provide opportunities to stay active while meeting other guests. The broader Vidanta complex offers access to world-class golf courses designed by renowned architects, where you can work on your swing while enjoying views that make it hard to concentrate on your game. Tennis courts provide another outlet for those who prefer racket sports, while various cultural activities showcase the rich heritage of the Riviera Maya region. Evening entertainment ranges from live music performances featuring local artists to cultural shows that celebrate Mexican traditions. The variety ensures that there is something for every taste, whether you prefer intimate acoustic sets or elaborate productions with colorful costumes and traditional dancing. The spa and wellness facilities deserve special mention for their commitment to relaxation and rejuvenation. Treatment menus feature everything from traditional Mexican healing rituals passed down through generations to cutting-edge therapies that incorporate the latest wellness trends. Signature treatments often incorporate local ingredients like honey, cacao, and indigenous herbs known for their therapeutic properties. Facilities include saunas and steam rooms for those who enjoy heat therapy, while relaxation lounges provide peaceful spaces to decompress before or after treatments. Hydrotherapy options take advantage of the natural cenotes and healing waters that the region is famous for, offering unique experiences that you simply cannot find elsewhere. The spa operates with a philosophy that wellness extends beyond individual treatments to encompass overall lifestyle and mindset. This holistic approach is reflected in everything from the serene design of treatment rooms to the carefully curated music and aromatherapy that enhance each experience. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.